Not financial advice. We not trading on red market or red folder news days. It's not the way to go. Even an orange folder, low key, depending on which one it is, not bust.
Yeah, man. So you got anything with the Bitcoin, whatever you want to break down for us, twin?
Let's break down the BTC, man. Let's go to the daily. See if we're looking pretty. Not looking pretty, but we did have some movement over the past week, low key. We didn't get high. I also broke this down yesterday in the Tuesday takedown in the video section of our Discord. Go tap into that. Not going full-fledged deep into Bitcoin, but we'll break down this chart real quick. I did it yesterday, is what I was saying. You see that this is the prime level here. That's why it's marked. It's the top of this range that we have been in for the past month and a half, technically, because this is at the beginning of June. We're in the last days of July. So in the last kind of 2 months. We're at the top of the range here, just at the bottom where the red line is. We tapped here. It's a prime level. Rejected off this level. Down here, this is a prime support. Rejected off this level as well. We dibbled or dabbled between this range, stayed here. Now, as of late, this is last week right here. On Tuesday, we had this high. I was saying that let's see if we break above, because then that's how we know if we're moving up past out of this range, or if we're gonna reject off of it like we did here and go lower. We didn't even come up to this high. We were a couple hundred points away. Damn near 1,000. Didn't touch it fully, but we broke above this range level, stayed and dabbled there, and then rejected off of there. Now we do got some. We had that today. We have the personal income MOM that is tomorrow. So we got news for the rest of this week. August 3rd is Monday. Yes, August 3rd is Monday. And job openings. These two shouldn't impact it too crazily, but the MOM usually gives a little bit of feedback to the riskier assets, because money either comes in or comes out of the asset. But specifically on the Bitcoin chart, we rejected last week, and now we're kind of playing around. We haven't had too many real moves. Let's go to the 4 hour, get into the nitty gritty. See, we're not doing too much. I'm gonna do a small little range here. I'm gonna change a different color so we know what we're talking about. I'm gonna do green. And about, I'm not gonna put it right there, about right here. I'm gonna put it in between, because we touched this multiple. Between this range right here, man, with the green, man. Not too much going on. We have a lot going on in the world, so the risky assets haven't been getting all the love that they usually get, man. Bitcoin, definitely not. XRP's really low. This they hit the low of 103, I believe, 104, $1.04 for the XRP. We are currently sitting at $1.07. Yeah, not too much movement. Let me go back to the daily. Not too much movement, man. Down, leveling out. We haven't looked at flare in a while. I haven't looked at flare in a while, but it don't gotta be we. Let me go to the weekly. It's a little bit cuter. Remember when I was talking about, maybe this is 2 months ago, when we had first gotten to this range here? Not even 2 months ago. When I made this line, March. Yeah, about 4 months ago. Where I said that flare hasn't came down to this level since 2023, which is a prime level to grab and accumulate, just off the simple fact that we haven't been to this level in 3 years. There was a little bit of battle in between the buyers and the sellers, man, and we broke above that, this level, and then came right back down. Now we are 30 or 25% from that level of where we last touched in 2023. Can't stress it enough, really. It is accumulation time, man. A lot of people are waiting on the Clarity Act. A lot of, I said that last week though, but a lot of let's say investors are waiting for the Clarity Act to pass, so therefore it would be rules and regulation when it comes to crypto, and there's not just it's not a free man's game, right? It's not free game. You can just do this and do this, that, and the third. There's gonna be regulations to it, and those are soon to come. I was reading a document yesterday that basically said that there's uncertainty whether it would be passed this year, even. We got 4 months left in the quarter. I also forgot to say that too. We entering fourth quarter, twin.
Okay, bet.
We entering fourth quarter. It's gonna be the 8th month, man. It's the lock-in season, man. Yeah, we got the midterms coming up in 2 months, 3.
Yeah, get it together if y'all ain't did it yet.
For real,
man. I know that hurt to hear if you ain't been on nothing.
Hey, no cap. We're in the last 4 months of the year, and if you don't got nothing you should be thinking about what you're proud of within yourself and continue growing. We ain't done with the year, man. So you definitely don't got a lot to. You could focus on one thing, but you definitely have a lot of room to improve. 4 months is a really long time. You could really change your life in 2 months, to be completely honest. So you got 4. Take advantage. Not only that, but pat yourself on the back too, man. We made it through 8 months of the year. Coming up in a couple days. It's been 8 months. You've been staying loyal. You've been staying down to the grind. You've been staying focused, maintaining, stay on top of your bills, stay on top of family. You know what I'm saying? Doing what you're supposed to do as a man, as a woman. Pat yourself on the back, man. Good job. That's the full circle way, man.
Yeah,
we do that every day, man. So,
pat yourself on the back.
Okay, 2 times up here, brother.
You know what I'm saying? And if you haven't, don't get to the New Year acting like you did something, man. Don't do that. Don't get there and act like you about to have a frenzy, drink it up, smoke it up, go chase the girls if you ain't got no reason to pat yourself on the back. Don't get to acting.
No
At
cap.
your bro's celebration when he really got something to be patted on the back for.
For real.
And you ain't did nothing. You trying to be there for the come up.
Wave riding and shit, man. That ain't the way to go, man. Create your own wave, man.
Yeah, but if you have been 2 times, man,
2
pat yourself on the back,
man. Also wanted to get out of this crypto and go to the SpaceX twin. Is that watch list?
No, we gotta look it up.